Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'll be showing you how you can apply lens protector to your phone. Now, unlike the previous ones that I applied here on the channel, these are very similar to what you get for Samsung's, as they are all separate. Before they were just kind of like a square that you just apply as a single piece. Not anymore. So, popping it open, you see we have three different ones. I'm gonna squeeze them out. Oh, actually I don't need to, they weren't holding here at all. There we go. And just to kind of give you a comparison, this is an Samsung S25, and it has the exact same kind of lens design, as you can see. Just these ones are a bit bigger. Now, in that case, we also have below our wet and dry wipes. So, start off with the wet one. I always love those tongue-sized wipes. Anyway, I just want to clean off the lenses right here and maybe the area around them. Now, this is right here alcohol, so it will vanish, and it also gets rid of any kind of finger oils or stuff like that, so you don't need to worry about it damaging anything. Next, grab your dry wipe and just dry everything off. There we go. And now I'm gonna grab each one of these lenses. Oh, not this one. There we go. So we're gonna grab each one of these lenses. You also want to make sure that there's no dust on the lenses themselves, meaning these ones. And when you're ready, peel off the protective film and apply it. This one is not. There we go. So just make sure that they're laying correctly. These are basically identical size to the protrusion of the lens, so they shouldn't have much play in them. And just make sure that they're laying flush on here. And once you pop them on, give them just a little squeeze on there, just so the glue can adhere to the lens. Final wipe, and you're good to go. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.